German Industrial Corporation. Global quality. Engineered in India. At German Industrial Corporation, we power OEMs with precision-engineered parts, end-to-end. From digital prototyping to ready-for-export assemblies, we deliver over 650 parts across industries. Trusted by clients in Europe, the Americas, Middle East, and beyond. Backed by ISO-grade certifications, rigorous audits, and world-class processes, we bring Indian manufacturing to global standards at unbeatable value. German Industrial Corporation, delivering precision globally.